In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change page color in LibreOffice Writer. To get started, open LibreOffice and go into Writer so you can access your document. This works whether you're starting with a blank page or editing an existing file. Once your document is open, take a look at the top menu bar because that's where you'll find the setting you need. At the top of the screen, click on Format. A drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Page Style. This will open a pop-up window with page formatting options. If you don't usually work with page settings, don't worry. This is simply where LibreOffice lets you control how the page itself looks, including things like layout, margins, and in this case, background color. In the pop-up window, look to the left side panel and click on Area. This section controls the fill or background appearance of the page. Once you're there, click the Color button. After that, you'll see a standard color palette with preset color tiles. These are the built-in color choices LibreOffice gives you, so you can quickly pick a color without needing to create anything manually. Now just select the page color you want to use. Choose something that fits the purpose of your document and keeps the text readable. For example, lighter shades are often easier to work with if your document contains a lot of text, while stronger colors can be useful for creative layouts or visual emphasis. The main thing is to make sure your content still stands out clearly against the background. After choosing your color, click Apply to preview and confirm the change in the settings window. Then click OK to finalize it. As soon as you do that, the page color in LibreOffice Writer will be updated. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the page color in LibreOffice Writer. It's a quick customization, but it can make your document feel more polished, more visually appealing, or simply easier to organize based on different projects. If you want to adjust it again later, you can return to the same format, page style, and area settings anytime and pick a different color.